Wait, let's rewind. So, a few months ago, a brand called Resonic reached out to me. And it went something like this. Hey Ash, I run a custom keyboard brand in SG and would love to build you a free board inspired by your vibe. Thought it'd be a sick collab to bring both our styles together. Would you be down for this? So of course, I said yes. Then slowly but surely, we started ideating on the design. Until one day, I received a message from them saying,
Yo Ash, here's a new sneak peek. We're about 75% done. My artist is still working on magic on the keyboard bare bones. You can expect to see the full completed package as early as next week if all goes well. I'll keep you updated.
Which means we are left with a bit more waiting, and waiting. Until... it's finally here!
Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you're playing down.
Yup, so this is the story of how I got my dream keyboard, all thanks to Resonic.
Don't hush me now cause I just want.
Hey guys, Ash here, so I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. And I just wanted to come in to share some stuff about this video. So I finally finished editing this video, and fun fact, this is actually one of my longest and hardest projects that I've done in a while. Because it's a really amazing collaboration done by Resonic and me. And actually this project started around in April, and now it's currently September. So it actually took 6 months. Can you imagine how long that is? So that's the amount of effort we have spent making this project happen. So I really hope you all enjoyed the video. And if you're looking for custom keyboards like the one you've seen in this video, make sure you go check out Resonic. He's really an amazing guy that makes spectacular keyboard. And fun fact, if you didn't know, they also recently started doing custom PCs. So if you're ever in need of a keyboard or PC, you can go check them out. Once again, I want to give a huge thanks to Resonic for giving me the opportunity to work with you on this amazing project. I'm really grateful to be able to work on this project, and hopefully you guys enjoy it too. Bye!